Welcome back. Now it's time to install the core components of the KubeNow cluster. So let me exit the master node. I was still inside it as we SSH last time. Now I'd like you to have a look at the playbooks here, the Ansible playbooks, and the one we'd like to actually install is this one here, the one that we'd like to use, the install-core. And the way we're going to install this is we're not going to have Cloudflare because this is a virtual cluster, so we don't need that as DNS as a service. But we'll have to install the reverse proxy traffic, for example, on the edge node and the weave to be able to deal with the networking stuff. And the way to avoid any of these components is to use the skip tag. So just my basically face is covering that command, but as you can see here, the command is sudo ansible-playbook, and then I'm sorry, I need to go back up to show you that. Basically, you give the path to install-core.yml and then skip tags Cloudflare. Let's have a look at what's happening. As you can see here, it says failed, but it's actually retrying. The reason for that is some services rely on others to be up and running first. So what happens here is if any service doesn't find any of its dependencies up and running, it just waits for a bit and then it keeps trying. So as you can see here, it waited for about 5 seconds. So it tried once, twice, 3, 4 times, and then it's continued, right? Again here, same thing is happening for the Gluster file system, the distributed file system. Okay, creating shared volumes, doing all the configurations, and it shouldn't be long for everything to be up and running. So I'd like now to basically SSH again into the master. Okay, so sudo vagrant SSH and then KubeNow master 01, and then inside the master we'll have a look at the pods, and now we can see that we have a much larger list than the list we had before. So we've got Gluster server running. We didn't have that before. We've got what else? Traffic now is there as well. It wasn't there before, and Weave is there again. So I think I still had the output. If I go up back again, yep. So you can see here the pods that we have here, and now we've got the rest of them up and running. So if you've reached this stage, then all is up and running and all is ready for us now to deploy Jupyter and Galaxy, and I think we're going to do that in the next video. So let's stop here at least. We're quite happy, and we have to say, this KubeNow stuff is quite impressive. Let's exit this and again have another look at perhaps the nodes to make sure that everything is still up and running. So doing sudo vagrant global status. You see, we've got all the 7 virtual machines running, master, edge, and 5 worker nodes. Right, let's stop here and deploy Jupyter in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.